Good day, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Lifelong Learning Coach. And today, we're going to learn how to create a CV or curriculum vitae using LibreOffice Writer. So let's begin. So you click File here, click New, and then go to Templates. Click Templates. Okay, and then you click here, CV, title CV. Then okay, so you will have now your curriculum vitae. So you can type your name here, then your address, your phone number, your email, your date of birth, and nationality, and your experience. You write your experience here. Then below, you're going to write your education, and you're going to write your skills, software, programming, or you can add another here. Then for your languages. So you just simply type that. You can add others here. And that's it, guys. You are able to make your curriculum vitae. So thank you very much for watching these videos. I hope you learn how to make a curriculum vitae in your LibreOffice Writer. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and please ring the bell so that you can be updated with our new videos. And then always remember, learning is lifetime. God bless you always. Bye!